Do not play games with me, Cook. That girl is nothing.
Do not speak about her like that.
Or what? He will not believe a cook over his own wife.
We will see.
The Heartstone must be found before it's too late. I may walk alone, but I never walk unprotected.
In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you 4 free AI tools you could use to generate your AI movies, AI stories in general, your AI videos. So without wasting much of your time, let me walk you through these steps. Now, for the first site, we're gonna be using, head over to your Chrome and type PeaceVast AI. Now it's gonna bring you to their site, this interface. So you could see they have video templates. They have lots of features here. If you scroll down through the website, you could see video, image, and audio. They have image and text, reference, templates, transition, and beautiful features. Now, I decided to paste a prompt to test the app and show you that this is actually free. Although they have the pro version if you want to subscribe, but it is a free app. Now you could see a father talking to his child about his life choices and decisions. So this is what I decided to give the app. So you just head over to this place and you could set it, if you want it to be in 16:9, more than 5 seconds. If you want it to be more than 540p, you could do that. So it generated this for me. I clicked on create. So you could see my free credits for this particular generation is gonna take 38 credits. So we'll wait for it to generate. And it has generated. Take a look at this.
Every choice we make is like a stone dropped into water, creating ripples that we never imagined, reach places we never imagined.
This is beautiful and it looks so realistic. You won't even know it's AI generated. It is so realistic. Now you click on download and it's going to save this directly to your gallery. So for the second video generator, in that same Chrome, go to this site, $AI. This is how their interface looks like. Click on it and it's gonna bring you here. So you see this place that is written more, click on it and we want a video generation straight up. So just click on it and it's going to bring you here. You could see create video. So you just paste a prompt to test the app. So this was what I pasted. You could see I told it to create a lovely cat, which is a pet, and the pet owner standing at a beautiful garden while the pet owner is watering the flowers in the garden. Then click on this arrow pointing up. While it is generating, just head over to this stuff, click on it, and you could see that our video generation is still ongoing. So just click on it and it's going to bring you here. So we're waiting for our video to generate and it has generated. Here we go. I'm going to play it for you guys. Just look at how beautiful this is. So if you are not comfortable or if you are not satisfied with the first generation, you could just click on this particular stuff and it's going to regenerate it for you. But if you're comfortable with it, just download it, okay? Before we continue, I'm Victoria, your AI coach. If this video is of relevance to you, do not forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Now, for the third tool, let's get straight into it. Now, for the third free AI video generator, just type dgen AI and it's gonna bring you here. Click on it and it will bring you to this interface. Make sure you sign in, okay? So that you would have access to their free video generator. Always sign in if you haven't signed in. You could see this dgen AI. I am signing in also because this is my first time. So we're going to try it out to see if it is actually free. So I have signed in and it had a prompt down there for me. So I took my time and I went through this site and it has beautiful features, okay? You can see Nano Banana 2 Lite, Gemini Omni Flash, and beautiful, amazing features. Just check this out. All right. Now I'm gonna change this particular prompt down here because I want something else. So this was what I pasted. So you could click on this stuff. You will see the duration, orientation, resolution, change whatever you need to change. And we're using the real motion. You could see the features it has. We're using real motion 3.1 turbo for free. This is a free version and we're going to use it. Now, I decided to use the image to video generation on this site because once you click on the plus sign, it's going to give you these options: upload image, select from gallery or character library. Once you click on upload image, if you have not generated any image from this site, you don't have any business with it unless you have generated images with this site. So once you click on that, it's just going to direct you to the images you want to use for the video that you need to generate. Now, I haven't created any image with this site, so I just decided to pick one from my gallery. So I clicked on select from gallery and I selected my image that I wanted to use. Yes, and it's going to bring you to the options. If you want it to be in 16 by 9, 9 by 16, you could see them. I wanted it to be in 16 by 9, and yeah, you could just crop it. Use this stuff down here to increase it or decrease it. And then I pasted my prompts and we're waiting for it to generate. This is our video generation. Let's take a look at it. Look at how beautiful and realistic this is. Now you see this place that is written LibGen 3.1. You could click on it and it will bring you to this interface. You'll see this: upload a character and audio to generate a video. So once you click here, you have an option to upload any character you have, either from the site or from your gallery. Now for the audio, if you have any accent voice that you want that character to lip sync, this video generator has the ability to do that. You want that character to say exactly everything in your audio, to speak like your audio, you could just upload the file here. Then for real dance, once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. Upload a reference character and motion to generate your video. So if you have any character that you want it to move or dance in a particular pattern, you just paste it here and paste the real dance video. Okay, now that aside, the next video generator is this. Head over to your Chrome and type Adobe Firefly and it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on it and this is the website. This website has amazing features. You could see generate image, generate video from an image, generative fill, expand image, and other amazing features. So we're going to use generate video from an image. Tap on it and it will bring you to this interface. Describe the video you want to generate. So you could see that it has frames, general, advanced, and clear all with other amazing features. So I'm going to paste my prompts and this is what I wanted. And you click on this stuff, generate. Our video is generating. We will wait a bit and yeah, this is our video. Let's watch it together.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it matters.
This video has no audio. It just generated exactly the prompt I gave it because I wanted it to be in 3D animation style. So this is how our video came out. I'm very sure you have seen this style of video on TikTok or Facebook for funny memes. You could just edit it and put any funny music of your choice in the background. This is how the 3D of Adobe Firefly looks like. That being said, these are the 4 AI-free video generation tools that I've shown you guys today. So check them out and you could give me a feedback. Don't forget to comment on the comment section if you have any questions to ask. So that will be all for today. See you guys in my next video. Bye, lovelies.
You say you need your space.